Get ready for a fun, creative, and healthy snack time. This is a perfect activity for the whole family and can be tailored to any age group. First, gather your supplies. You will need a variety of fresh fruits such as strawberries, grapes, pineapple, melons, and citrus. Additionally, you will need bamboo skewers, floral cookie cutters, a sharp knife for slicing the fruit, and a small pot or vase. We will use an empty tin can with a craft foam disc for our flower pot. If your kids want to decorate their tin can flower pot, it's best to do so before placing the fruit inside. Some fun decorating ideas include covering the can with washi tape or fabric, gluing craft sticks to the outside of the can, or tying twine or a ribbon around the can. Now let's get started. Wash the fruit and cut the larger ones into slices. Make sure the slices aren't thicker than your cookie cutters. Next, let everyone personalize their fruit bouquets with their favorite fruits. Use the cookie cutters to create shapes with the sliced fruit and get creative with the smaller fruits. Halved grapes can be the center of a flower, and upside-down strawberries look like rosebuds. Then place the craft foam into the bottom of your tin can. It's time to assemble your flower arrangements. Thread the fruits onto the skewers and press them into the foam to create a beautiful and colorful fruit display. Trim the skewers to achieve the desired height for each flower. If your kids enjoyed this activity, encourage them to keep creating. Fruit bouquets make great gifts. Perhaps they would like to give one to a grandparent or neighbor. We hope you enjoyed this activity. For more fun ideas, visit us online. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching!